Let's try to get a save dialog open. Up, up, down, down, left, right, and F. No dialogue yet. Now, I actually was expecting one. Let's see the code we've written so far, and we'll figure out the problem in the next video. Pay attention to this, because this is the domain object model element that's going to be used to create the download dialog. In function boilerplate, we've made some edits to the has function, so we've added these tags here, and then we've also added this code here because for some reason an anchor tag was reporting back as null, and this is going to fix that, and this is just a little bit of extra check to make this function a little bit more efficient when we're encountering a simple null or undefined. In the nil function, we've added these tags right here, or at least one of them, and nothing else has been done to this. In the Filemob function section, within our re-entrant task for saving a file, like opening up the dialog, we've added these two new top-level variables, top-level to this function. And we have the domain object model element, and we have whether or not that element is nil. So if the element is nil and we're inside of the first step, which is the setting up the DOM hack, well, if that element is nil, then we want to create an anchor tag. So this is the code for the anchor tag, and we're going to use that code in the create element, and we're going to assign it to this element here, right? And then we're going to store it in the global here, and then also we're going to be a little bit paranoid, and we're going to make sure that it was actually created, right? Make sure it was actually created, and if it wasn't, we're going to throw an error message here and log out some other information to try to diagnose the problem. So also, this step right here, we added this right here, element, the domain object model element dot click. This should open up the save file dialog, but it's not. We'll have to figure out why that's going wrong, but we're not going to do it in this video because we already wrote all the code we're going to write for this video. What we did previously, a whole bunch of footnotes and thoughts, and then what we did in this video. So you've been on this playlist here. If you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist. Source code is here. Email me here. Like and subscribe.